my name is Nadia Leduc, and this is my callback for The Artful Dodger. I will be singing Consider Yourself from the musical Oliver. Consider yourself at home. Consider yourself one of the family. We've taken to you so strong. It's clear we're gonna get along. Consider yourself well in. Consider yourself part of the furniture. There isn't a lot to spare. Who cares? Whatever we got, we share. If it should chance to be, we should see some harder days. Empty Lorder days, why grouse? Always a chance we'll meet somebody to foot the bill. Then the drinks are on the house. Consider yourself our mate. We don't wanna make no fuss, 'cause after some consideration we can state, consider yourself one of us. Thank you.